early. I need to get some coffee. Let's run through this Starbucks real quick, then I'll fill you in on what we're doing. Aka RVJedeye, and we are doing something today that I guess I've been needing to do for quite a while now. When I first got my RV, everything was great, and it has been for the most part. I had one issue with my propane, which I took care of at Via RV, which I really enjoyed working with them. They're out of Linwood, and I'll probably go back to them again. But just after I got my RV, I got a letter from Winnebago in the mail, and they were telling me that my rig, which is a 2018 Winnebago Travato 59G, had an awning recall. So the first thing they said is I needed to find a licensed dealer or repair shop in the area. So from what I can understand, and it was from the letter, and then also from the Travato's wannabe group on Facebook, which again I will recommend. I'll put a link to that below. The recall has to do with the awning automatically deploying while you're driving, which is certainly something that you don't want to do. I think some people have complained too that it'll deploy and they can't get it back in. So, you know, we want to get that fixed. And, you know, anytime there's a recall, you want to do that kind of whenever you can. I have used my awning a couple of times. Have not had an issue. Have had a couple of times where there is a wind sensor on it, so if it gets too windy, it automatically retracts. I've had that done. The first time it did it, it was at night and I was kind of asleep, and it was a little weird because I wasn't sure what was happening, but it was nice that it did that. So hopefully, again, this will be an easy fix. It's going to take a couple of days. We'll drop it off here. I'll Uber back home and then wait for the call, and then probably come pick it up in just a couple of days. Okay, we are here at Poulsbo RV. Wasn't too bad to get here. Need to figure out how I check in, and then get this bad boy starting its awning recall. Again, you know, I love getting to service stuff early. Check out some of the rigs that everybody has here. I see a Pleasureway, a Heimer, a couple of Mercedes Sprinters, some Class C's and everything. So it's all pretty cool. Man, that Allegra, I think that's a bus, not even a Class A. That is so huge. I can't even imagine driving that, especially now that I'm driving my Winnebago Travato. So the drop-off is done. Scott and Skylar here at Poolsbo RV were really easy to work with. Great to get it in. It's going to take a couple of days. They're going to give me a call when it's ready, and hopefully that'll be it. You know, this is a really kind of cool shop here. It's not too far, again, from where I store my RV. So this also may be a place on a regular basis that I come to if I need work done. Took a little longer to get it in, but I get it. You know, from what I can read, there are a lot of these you know, awning recalls going on. I was just glad that they were able to schedule me, and then we'll get it fixed and get it out again so I can use it. So just got back into Seattle. The Uber drive went smooth. Now it's back to work. Gonna work for the rest of the day, and then in a couple of days, hopefully, we'll get my RV back. Time to pick up the RV. It is now fixed. I have to hit Uber and then go pick up the ride. Okay, so the Uber driver dropped me off down the street, but it's just up the road here. Gonna walk, pick up the RV, bring it on home. So the RV is fixed. The awning recall went as smoothly as it could possibly go. You know, other than the fact that I had to wait several months to get it done. Again, it happened. I got the letter back in April, and now it's almost August, and I have it done. But you know, Poolsbo RV, they did a good job. Shout out to Scott and Skylar, who I worked with here. You know, you want to have multiple places that you can always take your rig to get work done. I have a place in Linwood, and that's Via RV. I like them a lot. And so far, you know, working with Poolsbo RV here in Kent, they were good to work with as well. So two places that I can take the RV to whenever I need to get some work done. You know, hopefully everything will go well and we will have no issues with the awning. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there. Make sure you find a couple of good shops to work with whenever you need to get work done. Because if you own an RV, you're going to have to get some work done, and you want to trust where you're taking it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.